Hiya! Let me say something directly to everyone who's been hurt by the legal system. I see you. There are millions of people on social media right now talking about what happened to them. They post their stories on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. I mean, there's millions of venters. They explain how they were wronged by a lawyer, a judge, or just the whole entire legal process is corrupt. That's what they say. They vent, and they could channel that same energy into legislation. And it's not that hard. In fact, Friday, I went into my attorney's office and I said, David, I need these 3 laws passed. Can you tell me how we can get that done? And then by Saturday, I'm at the precinct meeting submitting my next 3 resolutions that I want to be discussed and part of the legislative debate in Texas coming up next January. January 2027 is when the next session starts. And it's just not that hard. All it takes is someone that's going to put a little bit of time, write a 1-pager resolution, and the next Senate meeting is on March 28th, and I can tell you that I have 3 really fantastic proposals that I would love to share with you all. The first is all attorneys in Texas must carry legal malpractice insurance. Why is that important? Well, first of all, who isn't insured? If you're a professional, you're a dentist, you're a contractor, you're a realtor, or you're a doctor, every one of those professionals are insured. But did you know that lawyers don't even have to carry insurance and they're handling tens of thousands, if not millions of dollars of caseload and with no insurance? Is that just not crazy? How could they do that? The second is no lawyer could use binding arbitration to basically get out of disputes where their client, if their client has a grievance, they can just take them to arbitration and win, because arbitration is decided by a lawyer, not by a jury of non-lawyers. The third is, and this is in honor to my stepmom, Robin, it's Robin's Law. And Robin's Law is about banning contingency fees for probate. And what this does is this actually extends the whole family-wide ban across divorce, child custody, and now probate is going to be banned from having a contingency fee. Why? Because the incentive, lawyers pay incentives, causes them to not give good advice to their clients. Speaking from experience. So those are my 3 proposals. I'm asking all of my friends who follow me and all of my extended network to please support me on this, because it is going to be a very big task. But thanks for listening, and